Decoding the essay prompt. Find your perspective. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the art of understanding the essay prompt, especially focusing on determining the perspective. This skill is invaluable for SAT and ACT essay writing. Let's decode this together. When we talk about determining the perspective, in the context of an essay prompt, we mean identifying the point of view or angle from which the topic is approached. It's like putting on a pair of glasses that allow you to see the world in a specific way. The perspective you choose will guide your arguments and the way you present your ideas. Understanding and selecting the right perspective is key because 1. It shapes your argument. Your perspective will determine which facts or points you will focus on and how you'll present them. 2. It aligns with the prompt. Often, SAT and ACT prompts ask you to evaluate or analyze from a specific viewpoint. Recognizing this viewpoint is crucial for a relevant response. 3. It engages the reader. A clear perspective can make your essay more coherent and relatable. 1. Read the prompt multiple times. Before jumping into writing, read the prompt 2 to 3 times to fully grasp what it's asking. 2. Identify keywords. Look for words or phrases that hint at a certain viewpoint. Words like evaluate, argue, perspective, support, or oppose can give clues. 3. Ask questions. Ask yourself, what is the main issue here? And what views or opinions can arise from this issue? 4. Jot down possible perspectives. Briefly note down 2 to 3 possible viewpoints. This will help you choose the most compelling one to build your essay on. 5. Align with your knowledge. Choose a perspective that you're comfortable with and can support with evidence and examples. The best way to get a hang of determining the perspective is by practicing with various essay prompts. Over time, you'll naturally become more adept at quickly identifying and choosing the best viewpoint to base your essay on. Determining the perspective is a cornerstone of crafting a compelling and relevant essay for the SAT and ACT. Remember, every topic can be seen from multiple angles. Your job is to choose the angle that best fits the prompt and that you can effectively argue. Happy writing, and we hope this video helps you in your test preparation journey.